Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do exercise 2 ZW3D for beginners. For those who haven't seen exercise 1, you can go to the ZW3D playlist and you can catch up over there. Okay, so today we're going to do a very simple part, which is going to be this one. Okay, and we're going to try and attempt to do this part by creating only one sketch. But we will use a command which is called curve lists in order to get the shape that we really want. So let's get into this. Let's create a new part called exercise 2. Okay, now 3D environment. I want to choose this plane over here. Alright, let's start drawing our sketch. I will be starting with the circles and the holes, okay? Then I will move up to the rest. I'll move on to the rest. Do away with this constraint. Let's add another constraint over here. Let's add another one. Tangent. And then we're going to add one more. Which this one will be that one there. Okay. Trim what we don't need. Alright, that's more or less the L shape we're looking for. But now let's just add the dimensions that we need. It's going to be 103. And that's from center to center. It's going to be 115. Alright, there you go. Okay, now let's just add this 45-degree parts, and this is going to be 52. This is going to be 24. Trim this bit and this bit. It's gone. Alright, what else do we need? 5, 75. Okay, we need this radius to be 10. We need another line to go from here to bottom. Another line to go from here to there. Okay. 3. Okay, good. Now we have to put 2 rectangles over here. There we go. And this is going to be 16. And this is going to be 36. Okay. I'm going to have to add, but before we add this dimension, let me just erase these constraints over there. There we go. This is going to be 12. 6. Okay. Just move this inwards. All right. One more rectangle that we need right there in the center. There we go. That's from there to there's going to be 12. Okay. And this is going to be, ooh, something went wrong there. Something's not right here. Lines from there to there. Okay. That's going to be 12. And this is going to be 14. And this is going to be 30. All right. I think we are pretty much done here. All right, so let's get out of the sketch. Let's just check confirm. Yes, got those rectangles there, the holes and the circles here, and 5-degree angle bar there. All right, okay, so let's get out and start extruding using command list, or curve list, sorry, curve list. That's why it's called, not command list, it's curve list. If in the beginning of the video I said command list, I made a mistake, it's curve list. All right, here we go. We can start now with the extrude. Okay. We're going to start off by extruding this circle and this hole over here. All right, so now we're going to right click and we're going to choose curve list. All right, curve list. Here we go. And we're going to choose this one and this one. All right, there we go. That's the first curve list that we have. All right. Now we can start by extruding this curve list. There we go. Choose that one. Oof. I missed that one out. So let's go back, undo last command, and choose this one too. Okay. Actually, right, I didn't realize, and I chose this one, which is partial. I could have chosen this one, you know, which will be just easy. This one, and it's done, right? But the partial one we're going to use now with the rest. So let's extrude this curve list here. There we go. Now we're going to extrude it. How much is it? 46. All right, so I'm going to make it simpler. Just do this, minus 65 by 2, both sides. Let me just change the color here. And yeah, there we go. We have that one already done. Now let's move on to this L shape over here. Not that one. Curve list. Now we're going to choose partial curve list. Let's say it's this one, this one, this one. Just choose these ones. Okay. Shade off. Okay, curveless 2. Let's extrude this one. And this is going to be 18. 9 and minus 9 here. Here we go. And we're going to choose here, add. And there we go. So it can be one complete shape. There we go. All right, so the next part we're going to do is this 45-degree angled bar. So again, curve list. I want this, this, and this one. There we go. Now we're going to extrude curve list 3. This will be 7 and 7, add, and there we have it. All right, now I have to move on to the top part here. Okay, so let's see. Let me think a little bit on how I'm going to do this one. Okay, curve list. I'll choose this one. Let's try to do these two first. All right, let's try and do it this way. That's going to be 70. So do it this way. Okay. All right, so let's extrude that by 862. So 2, 2, 2. All right, so close up that hole there. So just go back and make a small modification here and add the circle here as well. All right, so now extrude, it should be resolved. There we go. All right, there we go. All right. do something similar to the other one. Curve list, that one. Oh no. Curve list, this one and this one. Okay, extrude this curve list. And now I want it 48. And let's do 48 divided by 2 here. There we go. And that's done. Alright. Now it's partial. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Alright, there we go. That's going to be 46. Extrude. I'm going to choose this profile, but I want this curve list. So 46 divided by 2. And here we have 46 divided by 2 as well. That should be just about right. Great. All right. Okay. All right. I was hoping that I could do it all in one sketch. All right. But we're going to need one more sketch. All right. It would be possible to do one in just one sketch, but I think I skipped like one small little detail. All right, but we're just going to do one more sketch. Okay, so let's add another sketch to finish this drawing. Okay, there we go. And we are going to make reference to this one. Actually, no, we're going to make reference to that line, this line, this line, this line. I want to offset. Be 14. 14. All right. Unlink this. Okay, unlink that. That. Okay, and that can go. So we can trim this, trim this, trim this. There you go. Now we're going to do over here, this part over here. We're going to do the same. Reference line. There. We're going to offset this also by 14. Okay. Trim this, trim that, trim that. And we can do away with this. And we can also do away with this command here. All right. Simplify things, auto constraint. There we go. Exit. Now we're going to extrude this sketch over here, and it's going to be All right, let's just quickly do something here. Because it's not what I'm going to remove from here is not the same as what I'm going to remove over here. So, but we are all in one same sketch. So I'm just going to blank all these out. There we go. That should be just about right. Okay, so now I'm going to do curve list. I want this one, this one, this one, and this one. There we go. Now I want to do another one. Curve list. This one, this one, this one, and this one. There we go. And that should be. Let's unblank everything back to normal again. Now we're going to remove what we want to remove here. So extrude. Start off with this one, and this one's going to be 34. Okay. 2, and this one's going to be 34 divided by 2. And then we're going to click on remove. Here we go, that's what we're looking for. And now we're going to do the other part, which is here, the same thing. I created a curve list again for here because this cut is different to the cut I'm going to make there. So let's do the last cut over there. Must extrude 18, right? So I extrude 9 to one side and 9 to the other side. There we go. Remove, and there we have it. Okay, guys, here we have the part. Alright, but there's one more thing we have to do to finish it off, is round off these corners by using fillet 2mm. Alright, so I'm gonna just round off this and this, and we are pretty much done with this part. There we go, and there we go. Fillet 2mm, and it's done. Alright, here we have it, guys. Using just one view, alright, we managed to do the whole 3 dimensions, okay, the whole 3D part, okay, without adding a lot of sketches. We just used 2 sketches here, alright. Most probably I could have just used one, right? But yeah, I think I could have done one, but I just had to add one more thing to this sketch. So in any case, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave any comments in the comments below, and until next time.